Exposing the secrets in making your money grow. I will never look at my savings account the same way after learning this. First things first, what is investing? Simply put, investing is when you put money into something with the hope it will grow. Think of it like planting a tree. You plant a seed and with time and care it turns into a big leafy tree giving you fruit. Start with small amounts. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest. Even $50 can get you started. The key is to be consistent. Next, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This way, if one thing doesn't do well, you've got others to back you up. And remember, patience is your best friend. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So get started today. Plant that seed and watch your money grow. Happy investing.